p.m. Central Daylight Time. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK-26, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz from a transmitting antenna atop television station KVTV channel 13 in Laredo. NOAA Weather Radio is on the air 24 hours a day, broadcasting warnings, watches, and related statements for the Rio Grande Plains. A weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio tone alert is normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, if no severe weather is in the area, for the following counties: Webb and Zapata. Tropical weather outlook.
Okay, so
I
was working on an EAS scenario, which will come out around December of 2020.
October 23rd, 2020 for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico.
It's going to be really cool when it comes out. And then I just looked on IMBot, and Brownsville issued a special weather statement. And it's not your strong thunderstorm special weather statement, it's an index special weather statement, or fog special weather statement.
Areas of fog have developed across portions of South Texas this morning.
It's about a cold front.
Just west of Grand Cayman Island continues to show signs of organization.
Here it is.
At 10:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and satellite was tracking a cold front with strong winds along the line extending from near Aguilares to 11 miles east of Malaquite Beach. The movement of the front was out at 20 miles per hour. Sustained winds of 30 miles per hour with gusts to near 40 miles per hour have been experienced with frontal passage in the Corpus Christi area. These winds can be expected across portions of the northern ranchlands as the cold front moves into the northern portions of deep South Texas late tonight into early Saturday morning. Locations impacted include Falfurrias, Hebbronville, Sarita, Bustamante, Randado, Airport Road Addition, South Fork Estates, Pleasant Park, Thompsonville, and Jim Hogg County Airport. Here are the 11 p.m. South Texas weather observations. In Laredo, cloudy. Temperature 81 degrees, dew point 68, and the relative humidity 64%. Wind north at 21 miles an hour, gusting to 28. The pressure 30.06 inches and rising. Across the state, Carrizo Springs.
Okay, a cold front. A cold front. A cold front.
At 12:06 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a cold front with strong winds along a line extending from 12 miles southwest of El Cenizo to 6 miles northwest of Thompsonville to near Encino to Canady County wind farms to 41 miles southeast of Malaquite Beach. Movement was south at 25 miles per hour. Northerly wind gusts between 30 and 40 miles per hour will be possible behind the cold front. Locations impacted include Zapata, Armstrong, Port Mansfield, Agua Nueva, Encino, Raquel, San Manuel, Lynn, Bustamante, and Medina.